Hey there. Time to get back. I didn't like the first video, so this one's gonna be a little better. Try to talk a little louder. Couldn't hear shit last time. Anyways, look at the detail on this Yoda pipe. I love it. I've seen some other ones, not that great, but this one I had to get. It's pretty nice. The hole is pretty nice size. Although I wish it was more centered in the middle there, because when it's off it causes the burn to the side a little bit, which is not that great. But hey, it's a pretty cool pipe. And then this one, I mean, how could you not get this? Kind of looks like a let's see, what's that guy? Bender from Futurama, decorated as Darth Vader. But yeah, it's pretty cool little pipe here too. I wish there was the bowl itself is a little deeper, like Yoda's head, but I guess Yoda's just that much wiser. And at least it's centered. It's not gonna burn all crazy like. And there's your carb. Your carb's gonna be just under his ear. I like how this one has a bigger carb. Means you can hit this one a lot better. This one you're gonna have a smaller drag. I'm gonna put this one up. And here's positives on this one here. This grinder, several teeth, diamond shaped, tons of holes, so you're gonna definitely get it grinded really fast. The diameter is about 2.5 inches. So that means you could put a piece of bud about 1 inch in there. It's very strong steel metal. The threading on it is very smooth. The screen on it, nice and thick, not too thin. If you get too thin, it'll just clog up on you. Nothing's gonna get to this bottom chamber. This is perfect. This is like the perfect grinder right here. Couldn't ask for a better one. And the magnetic on it is very strong. Not very many negatives on this one. Even let's say here the top part, it's like some kind of what is this? Epoxy finish to it. It's really nice. On the other hand, Yoda kind of disappointed me. It's aluminum, kind of shitty because you can wear down the sides a lot easier. There's not that many teeth, and they're not sharp. It's more oval. So, but the magnetic on it is still good. It's not as smooth as the other one. Let's see how big this chamber is. At least the screen is still decent. The chamber is still pretty decent. But yeah, Darth Vader definitely wins this one. And then let's see here. This here's more of a decoration piece. Unless you have something very small to grind up. On top of this one, the diameter is gonna reach about 2.5 as well, or 2 inches, closer to 2, but you're only getting 1 inch. As this one, you are getting a heavy 1 inch. This is more of a 3/4 inch. So this one here is definitely the way to go. This one here, overall, it's going to run you 1 inch, or 1.5, and then probably a 1/2 inch right here. The magnet on it is still fairly decent. They could have added more decoration, color to this thing, for sure. It would have been a lot better, but the detail on it is very nice. I hope you enjoyed this one. A lot better than the other one. Stay tuned. I'm going to go show off some more of this other product here in the future. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.